Hello YouTube, yes this is screen recording using my webcam in case you haven't noticed. The reason why I'm doing this is because my games are using so much CPU now with the physics engine and all that, or the physics library, that I can't just simply use a screen recorder because it'll drop the FPS pretty harshly. I tried optimizing techniques, but I'm gonna have to do this for quite a while until I figure something out. Now, here when you start Project Racer, you get something different from the previous video. It says donut.tmx and 0, which will be explained later. Just try to ignore the 0, not there. Okay, so basically, this is my kind of beta debugging for myself level selection. So let me just click enter, and here it takes me to the level. It loaded the whole level and it placed my player in there. Now, the reason why it took me so long to make this video is because I had to recreate this whole game from scratch because I messed up horribly. I won't get into detail, but it involved pointers. So yeah, if you know anything about pointers, you probably know how I messed up, or how bad it was. But yeah, I got basic player movement, map loading, and laps. In case you haven't noticed, that number 0 changed because I completed a lap. So yeah, I got checkpoints in, and it works the same way. You can't go backwards and complete a lap. Well, okay, my bad. Okay, yeah, you can't go backwards and complete a lap. The reason why that worked was because I basically cleared the second last checkpoint. So yeah. But no, you can't do that. The way that the level selection works is there's a folder in the Project Racer folder called Data. Inside that you have sprites, levels, and audio. The main thing that we're going to look at is the levels. Inside the program, it takes the levels folder and grabs all the files only, all the files inside this folder. And currently the only thing in there is donut.tmx. So just to prove to you that I'm not lying, I'm just going to drag a random sprite into the levels folder and then start the program. As you can see now, you have donut and normal car and 0, but that's for the laps, so you can ignore that. And if you try to press enter while it's normal car, it'll crash because it's not the file format. So yeah, that's just some proof. Let's see, how much time did we pass? 3 minutes. In all seriousness though, I'd like to really just take a minute and thank Lucica Mage for really making all this happen. Because, in case you haven't known, all these sprites, except for the car sprite, all these map sprites were created by Lucica Mage. And if you go to her website, on her home page on the left, you'll see something called resources. If you go there, you can see her public domain graphics, which is public so anyone can use it, and you don't need to you know, buy them or anything. They're just there, which is pretty cool. And the main sprites that I use are these two ones at the bottom. Here's Mishmash, and here's Furniture, but I mainly use Mishmash. So yeah, you can just click there, right click the image, save image as, and you're ready to go. All these sprites are really great. I mean, that's all I can describe. I mean, they're free for one, which is just awesome. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? And they're really good. I mean, it's not like some cheap graphics that's horrible. I mean, these are really top notch sprites. But yeah, thank you, Lucika Mage, and that's really all I had to do for this video. Sorry if it wasn't as good as the others, but I had to recreate from scratch, so the next one will be better, I promise. And I'll try to be more organized with using my webcam because I'm new to this. So yeah, thanks for watching.